How to fix Roblox randomly closing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox randomly closing on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll all the way down until you find here apps, and now click apps again and here type Roblox and then click on it, and first click storage and then click here clear cache, this one here, and then go to this one here for stop and for stop it, and then go to permissions, check all of those here, allow all of those, click on it and click allow, and then click storage and click allow, and that's it. Now just go back, and if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to clean some space, so just go to storage and then click clean up, and now scroll down until you find installation packages here, just click on it, and here you can delete anything you want here, and that's it. Then just clean some space and try again, and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.